Oh my god. So we're just gonna kind of walk around Bicentennial Park today. Good morning, YouTube. Wow. It's pretty beautiful for being fucking cold. Like so much snow. Not into the shit. Anyone else find it weird to go up there and see nothing but snow? Up here it's like grass. It's just fucking weird. Just kind of walking around. We're gonna go for a morning walk. Check out the sights. Some weird ass construction, no one knows what the hell's happening. Nothing new. And it's pretty chilly, I'm not gonna lie. Go on the bridge, shall we? Walk through snow, the rest. Walk through places we're not supposed to. That is a damn shame. Just look at that damn building over there. Why must we graffiti the fuck out of a kissing bridge? It still has a Christmas wreath. Put their names on a side of shit. Sorry if I'm moving my camera around. Just looks like a lot of different things on here to see. Not gonna lie, it is a gorgeous view. The bridge is pretty fucking nasty. The water is terrible. It's kind of falls. It's gorgeous. I think I want to go down the woods today. Young love. By the way, if for some reason these couples aren't together, don't be commenting on the Facebook or the YouTube blowing my shit up, okay? I don't know who's together, who's not. I hope baby said that bullshit. There is a little turn box. Saying not to deposit containers. Cute street. I mean, look at the scene. It's gorgeous out here. I mean, if you can get past the cold, and I might totally even do a night out here tonight. I've seen some people already camping. You know, not many, but I've seen a couple people already camping, so I might try it. I mean, give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll totally come back here and camp. I used to hang out here all the time as a kid. That's before it all kind of got damaged and grown over. But it is just a gorgeous walk. It's just beautiful. I mean, I doubt it's private property because I see people back here all the time, so I wouldn't really worry too much. But it's just amazing. It's gorgeous out here. Like, look at that. It's just awesome. There's all kinds of just everything. It's just so sunny. This one patch of the woods, it's all mud. I do know some people actually still take their 4-wheelers back here. I don't be surprised if we see turtles or any shit like that. I see it all the time. I mean, the weather, I doubt there'll be any today, but you never know. Animals do weird shit. God, it's gorgeous. amazing out here. Just raw footage of Ticonderoga. Some of the back places. If some of the places you're tourists, you want to come here. It's amazing. It really is. Just awesome. We'll go on the little catwalk where we used to all sit and hang out. But and the woods just goes for like miles. Just hoping we don't see anything. Step on anything we shouldn't. This Ticonderoga is definitely not what it used to be. But that's a catwalk. We actually used to sneak on here and go around the gate. And go around to the other side and follow it up through the ship plant. Just because it's fun to say across the catwalk. I don't know, we were pretty dumb kids. And then you could actually go down back through here underneath. But I mean, it's definitely gorgeous. And if you're into partying, I mean, obviously people do party back here, so. What is that? I don't know if you can see where I'm looking at. Big ass black thing for no apparent reason. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's definitely a party spot. It's just disturbing how people treat nature, I guess, you know. But just look at that. It's amazing. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Probably just like an old, not even a morgue, is it? No, it's a kind of chamber thing. I don't know. It's got a door on it though. Maybe I could check it out. Not really sure what it's for, but it's pretty cool. Wow, it's gorgeous. They said if you ever just want to experience nature, I mean, you don't even have to go into buildings to experience like untouched, but it is awesome back here. And from what I've been told, this forest is haunted. This was all battleground. You had the Battle of Caerleon, Lord Howe died in Ticonderoga, there's John Stout. I mean, this place is just endless with death, and it's a very historical area, so regardless how the locals treat it, it's just a beautiful view, you know. I mean, not every body was found from the wars either here, so just knowing that we could be standing on top of someone's grave is pretty sad. I mean, there's been a lot of death. This is where the Ticonderoga Mill used to be. Right along all this used to be mill. But I have no idea why it changed. I guess it just changed because people are assholes. I don't really want to know how much farther I want to go back here. It is a pretty far walk. But yeah, if you're into hiking, I mean, or even in just taking walks, experiencing nature, is some places in Ticonderoga that are pretty decent to go to. I mean, if you want to see the operation of the ship plant, just zoom in. It's where they harvest all the yucky shit that makes no damn sense to anyone else. I think I'm gonna climb my way out of here. Just because I really don't want to have to walk all the way to the fucking bottom. I mean, I've done it before. It's just a long ass walk. I don't know where the hell there's snow. I don't know if there's people back here just hanging around, so I'd rather not find out. Looks like there's actually a perfect place I can just climb right out of the woods without walking all the way back through. And when I come out here, it's just going to lead me out to the baseball field, so it's good when you're walking around somewhere experienced. Like I said, it's overgrown since I was a kid. This all used to be flat. People could just walk out with no problem, but ouch. People just don't take care of shit anymore. Man, it smells like skunk back here. I was surprised if I find a dead one. Or a live one. Who knows? Maybe Adirondacks. These are not the shoes to be doing this with today. And they are shoes for cruise, but this is not. They were intended more for offices and results. Not necessarily climbing through the woods. My old boss is so proud. Not. But, I mean, it's not bad. We're gonna avoid the bird picker things. Except for pulling that shit out of my hair. I mean, here's the baseball field. It's still surprisingly right now, Little League field.